So let us take an example for 3 electron systems. So sometimes these types of questions are asked in the master level classes. So we have taken the example of L1 is equal to 1, L2 is equal to 2, L3 is equal to 4. For each of the L value we have 3 electrons. For each of the electron value of S is half. So what will we do? Let us calculate the capital S value. We will combine 2 electrons first and find out the values of S, and with those S values we will combine the third electron value. Let us see how. So for S1 is equal to half, S2 is equal to half, we have S dash is equal to, according to LS coupling, we have S1 plus S2 2, S1 minus S2 mod, we have 1, 0 value. If you do not understand how did I calculate this value, you can go to our previous lecture of term value calculation. You will learn how to find out the S dash equal to 1 and 0. So now we have combined 2 electrons and third electron is left behind. Now we will combine this third electron with these values one by one to find out the value of final S. For S dash is equal to 1, S3 is equal to half, for S dash is equal to 0, S3 is equal to half. We will apply the same rule here as we have used S dash plus S3 up to S dash minus S3 mod values. So we have 1 plus half 3 by 2 and 1 minus half is half. Again for S dash 0, S3 half, we have capital S values equal to half. So combining both of these values, we have received these values of capital S. Now we will combine 3 L values. First we will combine any of the 2 L values, and then we will combine the resultant with the third L value. So for L1 is equal to 1, L2 is equal to 2, we have L dash is equal to 1 plus 2, 3 up to 1 minus 2 mod, that is 1, 3, 2, 1. So this is the L dash value or L prime value. Each value of L prime will be combined with L3 value to find out the final value of capital L. So let us say L prime is equal to 3 and L3 is 4, L prime is 2, L3 is 4, L prime is 1, L3 is 4. By combining these two values, we receive the value of L equal to 3 plus 4, 7, 3 minus 4 mod 1, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 2, 4, 2 plus 4, 6, 2 minus 4 mod is 2. So we have 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. By combining 1 and 4 we have 5, 4, 3. So combining these 3 values, we have L equal to 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. These are the capital L values and these are the capital S values. Rest of the procedure is exactly same. We can calculate the value of J by taking every value of L with every value of S. So let us take L7 S3 by 2 by 2. So the value of J is calculated according to our previous discussed procedure. L plus S2 mod of L minus S. So 7 plus 3 by 2, 7 plus 3 by 2, 2, 7 minus 3 by 2. So we are getting the values 17 by 2, 15 by 2, 13 by 2, 11 by 2. These are the values. So for this, J is equal to 15 by 2, 13 by 2. Here the value of J is 15 by 2, so these are all values corresponding to S 3 by 2, 1 by 2 and L 7 to 1. We can combine all these values here. So the L value was S value is 3 by 2, 1 by 2 and final J values are 17 by 2, 15 by 2, 13 by 2, 11 by 2, 9, 7, 5, 3, 1. These are all the L, S and J values. And corresponding to these values, we can find out the term values. So this is all about this example.